In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Adobe Acrobat version. This is an essential skill, whether you're troubleshooting issues with the software, checking compatibility for document sharing, or just making sure you have the latest features and security updates. Let's dive into the simple steps needed to find out which version of Adobe Acrobat you currently have installed on your device. First, you'll want to start on your Acrobat homepage. This is the main interface where you can manage your files, access various tools, and perform any tasks you typically do with PDFs, like reading or editing them. Once you're on your homepage, direct your attention to the top menu. This menu bar is typically found along the top edge of your window. Here, you're going to look for an option labeled Menu. Click on it. This should reveal a drop-down list containing several options for you to choose from. From this list, you need to navigate to the Help option. The Help section is your go-to spot for a variety of support resources within Adobe Acrobat. It can guide you in adjusting settings, learning about features, or in this case, checking information about your version of the program. So, hover over or click Help, and another menu will drop down. Within this drop-down menu, look for and select the option that says About Adobe Acrobat. This choice is specifically designed to provide you with critical information about the application. Once you click on About Adobe Acrobat, the software will immediately present a pop-up window. Now, you might be wondering, what should you expect to see in this window? This pop-up will display all the information you're looking for concerning your Acrobat version. Typically, it will show you the specific version number, which might look something like 20/xx6 or similar. It's usually a string of numbers, possibly followed by a service pack or update level, if applicable. Having this data is incredibly useful, especially when you're looking to validate that your software is up to date with the latest patches, or when you need to communicate technical details to a support team. And there you have it, a straightforward process to check exactly which version of Adobe Acrobat you're running. By regularly checking your software version, you can help ensure that you're always working with the latest and most secure features available, which is especially important in our digital age where security and efficiency are paramount. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions, and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.